Starting off here with my aunt's air conditioner. This is a 1984 carrier around one air conditioner. It's actually running right now. We'll be getting a startup and shutdown of this later. It's a 2.5 ton from 84. And yeah, that's running. There's another one over here. This one's a 2.5 ton from 86. And here's a York Latitude. To the 2 ton in 2007. And the American Standard Heritage 12, I believe, heat pump. 2.5 ton from 2004. There's a Goodman. Filmed these before. Two ton? No. I think it's a 2 ton from 2012. And a Bryant. 2015 2 ton. This one's a heat pump. And another carrier around one that is slanted. 2 ton from 1985. Alright, next place.